Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the daily time frame. So on gold, we definitely did turn down. I was hoping to see this engulf down. It really still hasn't engulfed down, in my opinion, which means that there is still a possibility that it goes up more. I think that more than likely the wave B is over, though, because this definitely looks like three waves up. It definitely looks like impulsive down. If the wave B is over, then we potentially should be starting a brand new downtrend. And if this is a brand new downtrend, it should be the wave C of wave Y, could push all the way down to the $3,000 area over the next several weeks. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally would definitely be keeping an eye out for shorts. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. If we see one wave up, one wave down, one wave up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then a nice impulsive and engulfing move to the downside, kind of like this one, two, three waves up here, and then engulfing down, then that would be exactly what I would be looking for another entry to go short. So definitely keep an eye on your Fibonacci levels. There is definitely a chance that the wave B is over on the daily time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.